Hi, in today's video I'm going to help you create your own custom professional logo design completely for free. So stick until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Step 1. Come to the website nameLeaks.com to generate your business name if you already don't have one in mind. Examples of business industries: fashion, beauty, gaming, education. Let's use beauty industry in this example. Let's type beauty and click on generate. Now we are going to generate all styles to get more ideas for our business name. We're going to select high randomness for the same reason. Click on next. You may or may not choose business description. I'm going to type beauty salon providing manicure, pedicure, skin health. Also check this box, check domains to see if they are available. Click on generate. Now you can choose from many different ideas. When you see check mark next to the name, that means it is available to register. It will take you to namecheap.com. You can register your domain name. The registration cost is approximately $10 a year. Now that you have your business name, come to logomaker.com. Here we are going to generate our free logo. We're going to choose our industry, beauty and massage, company name Caliente Beauty, and click on create logo. Now you can choose from 4 different styles: initial, emphasizing one letter in your name; icon, featuring an icon related to your business; badge, place your text inside a badge design; or simple text using a different font. Let's use icon in this example. Click on next. Here we have 4 different fonts we can choose from. I'm going to select display, for example. Click on next. Now you can select if your icon is going to be above your company name, curved text, icon left, or icon right. I'm going to choose icon left. Click on next. And here we have many different logo designs we can choose from. Select your favorite. Search until you find your desired one. I like this one, for example. Now if you click on edit, you're going to be taken to your logo preview. And here all you have to do is simply use your free snipping tool. Click on free snipping tool, stretch it so you cover your logo. Click on save as image, beauty logo, click on save. In the last step, all we have to do now is remove background from our logo design. Click on upload image we just took with our free snipping tool. Search for a beauty logo. Open it. And now it is going to remove automatically your background. Simply click on download. Wait for it to download, and that is it. Now that was the step if you clicked on edit, but if you clicked on save, it's a little bit different. Now you need to find your logo image to inspect it. Simply click Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inspect. Now on the top left, where the arrow is, it says select an element in the page to inspect it. Click on it. Now find your logo. Click. And here we have it. We see it over here. You need to right click, edit as HTML, and we see our link over here to our logo. You need to select the link, right click, copy, use new tab, paste it, Ctrl plus V if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, Command plus V. Enter. And here we have our logo design picture. Just right click and save image. Beauty salon logo. Now for those asking, is this legal? We are simply finding a link to our logo design. And the last step is the same as the one before. Click on the plus icon to add your logo. Search for it, Beauty Logo Design. Open. And it's going to automatically remove the background. Click on download, and that's it. And now you have your favorite logo design completed for free. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer it and help you out.